Plugs into car harness at radio. Select 1985 to 1997 Geo, Isuzu vehicles. Original high-quality factory plug. OEM Style. Allows for the installation of an aftermarket radio using the existing factory wiring and connectors. For 1985 to 94 Geo and Isuzu models, power for speakers. Top reviews from the United States. Quick installation for 97 Isuzu NPR, GMC 4500 radio. I bought this facilitate installation of a universal stereo in my 1997 GMC 4500 LCF truck. The wire leads matched perfectly to the stereo leads and it plugged directly into the vehicle connector. The wire are color-coded and also labeled for each speaker plus or minus, L, R, PWR, GRD, etc. Crimped 11 wires and it was working in less than 15 minutes. Awesome time saver as I did not have to cut vehicle harness.